Excuse me, but who the fuck are you?
Why, I'm you, of course.
Not possible, Gobbo. I am Macmillian, deranged retainer of the spirits and general ne'er-do-well.
And I'm Leanne Mac, faithful, loving husband and proud sober father. I work for Virustec as a prime interest negotiator.
Well, I work the streets, and I'd like to see you last one day on them. What I'd you couldn't possibly imagine. It would make you sick just thinking about it. Watching vagrants half robo-jenkum for a quick doozy before accidentally urinating on their only meal of the day. Robo and animal G's. Everywhere. In every crevice.
Oh, you simpleton. Not a problem. I own the streets. I own the night. But in all seriousness, why would I ever want to leave the joyous comfort of my wife Nora? I could just spend all night having her slap my girder like a good slave. Oh, yes.
You shut your filthy fucking gutter trap about her. You haven't earned the right to talk about a cock holster.
No, my good boy, when you make the amount of figures I do in a year, you certainly earn the right. I could just imagine her now, titanium-enhanced swollen breasts bouncing up and down. Oh, so exquisite. I love my wife.
Well, what do I say to all of that? I suppose you the better man.
I suppose I am. I'm proud of you for being able to admit it, Macmillian.
Except you not fucker, you're another prenatal baby who sucked on his mother's teat cable too long. Tell me, did you ever make her gape so excited it gushed lubrication into your sweaty gears? No, I didn't think so. I did. And still do. I don't even have to be in the same room with her to do so.
You're mean. I just think about it and blame O. There goes the big O in Nora's delicate axe wound.
Touché. But good luck having kids with her. I scraped all of that out myself. Good hack job, I must say. Real quality work on the backup uterus.
I don't know what you mean. I have a son. His name is Packard Millian Mac Jr. He's sharp as a scalpel. And has the wit of an aged, bitter, old vagrant bot.
You sick fuck. You adopted.
No, my lad. He's natural. We were delighted to have had him.
Oh. Well, isn't that precious? I hope it gets the AIDS computer virus and dies of a broken processor.
Now that's just uncalled for. You see, Macmillian, I am you. I am what you could have been, what you should have been. I am perfection, I am a happiness, I am the foil to your sin and rampant lunacy.
Oh. Well...
You shot me?
Sure did. After all, it's my schizophrenic dream world. And you just live in it. Have fun soaking up a lifetime of binge drinking and face fucking. See you later, everybody else. I'm waking up now to get an early start on the drink.